Today we are going to discover something amazing, how the area of a circle is actually the same as the area of a rectangle when arranged in a special way. Draw a circle on a colored paper. Next, divide this circle into equal parts. Here I have divided into 18 equal parts, 20° each. With the help of a master circle, mark at 20° distance till 360. You will get 18 equal parts. After marking the dots, draw lines. You will get 18 equal parts. With the help of scissors, cut each part carefully.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
After cutting, arrange them alternatively, one facing up, one facing down. Repeat this with all the parts. As the shape is slightly looking like a parallelogram, I have cut the last part to half and placed on both the ends. What do you notice? The new shape starts looking like a rectangle. It may not be a perfect rectangle, but as we increase the number of parts, it becomes closer and closer to a rectangle. Now let's observe carefully. The height of this rectangle is the same as the radius of the circle. And what about the base? The curved edges together form the circumference of the circle. But since we have arranged half on the top and half at the bottom, the base becomes half the circumference. Half of 2 pi r is pi r. Now we have base equals to pi r and height equals to radius.
So, today we learned that the area formula of a circle actually comes from rearranging it into a rectangle. Maths is not just formulas, it is full of beautiful patterns and logic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye!